You don't need a business degree, a warehouse, or a huge bank account to start making real money. You just need the right machine. Today I will tell you 15 low-cost machines, some under $100, that regular people are using right now to build home businesses, and no one is telling you. Each one comes with real numbers, what it costs, what you can charge, and how fast it can pay for itself. If you've ever wanted a side hustle that actually works, don't skip this video, especially number 14.
This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions.
Number 1. Binding machine. A stack of loose papers might not look valuable, but with this machine, those same pages can become notebooks, planners, reports, or even books that people are happy to pay for. That is exactly why this simple machine has become a popular choice for people starting a business from home. Using it is easy. First, line up the pages, punch the holes, then insert a spiral binding or attach a hard cover. Within a few minutes, you have a finished product that looks clean and professional. You do not need special skills or years of experience to get started. There are customers almost everywhere. Students need assignments bound neatly, offices regularly prepare reports, and many writers want affordable ways to print their own books. A basic binding machine starts at around $50, and each binding job can earn between $2 and $5. Once you complete several orders in a day, the income begins to grow. You can also increase your profits by offering custom covers, lamination, or attractive printed designs. It is a low-cost business that gives you plenty of room to expand over time. Number 2. Mini coffee printer. Serving a regular cup of coffee is one thing, but serving a coffee with a customer's photo, a funny message, or a company logo instantly makes it more memorable. That is exactly what a coffee printer lets you do, and people love sharing these creative drinks on social media. The process is surprisingly simple. Prepare a cup with a smooth layer of foam, place it inside the printer, choose a design from the connected app, and within seconds the image is printed directly onto the drink. You can create birthday messages, romantic notes, business logos, or fun artwork without making the process complicated. This machine works well for coffee shops, parties, business events, and promotional campaigns. This usually costs between $200 and $400. Because personalized drinks can be sold at a higher price than regular coffee, your profits can increase quickly. You can earn even more by pairing printed coffees with themed desserts or special event packages. It is a creative business idea that stands out without requiring a large workspace. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready," and I'll share the complete list with you. Number 3. Mini cotton candy machine. Few snacks bring back childhood memories like fresh cotton candy. With this machine, you can turn ordinary sugar into colorful treats that attract attention almost anywhere people gather. Making cotton candy is quick and easy. Pour sugar into the machine, switch it on, and within moments, soft strands begin spinning around the stick. You can use different colors and flavors, then mix them together to create eye-catching designs that customers enjoy buying. This machine is a great fit for birthday parties, fairs, parks, school events, or local festivals. A basic cotton candy machine costs between $50 and $150, while each cotton candy can sell for around $5 to $10. After serving enough customers at a busy event, the profits can add up much faster than many people expect. Attractive packaging and creative flavor combinations can help you charge even more and keep customers coming back. It is a fun business that does not require much space, a large investment, or complicated equipment to get started. Number 4. Seed oil extractor. Making cooking oil might sound complicated, but this machine makes the process surprisingly simple. Instead of buying factory-made oils, this machine lets you produce fresh oil from seeds like sunflower, chia, sesame, and walnuts right from home. Getting started is easy. Pour the seeds into the hopper, press the start button, and the machine extracts clean, natural oil without adding chemicals or preservatives. In just a short time, you have a product that is ready to bottle and sell. Demand for healthier food continues to grow, and many customers are looking for natural alternatives to processed oils. That creates a good opportunity to sell your products to health food stores, local food businesses, or directly to people who prefer fresh ingredients. This typically costs between $150 and $500. Since homemade oils often sell for more than regular supermarket oils, the profits can become attractive over time. You can also make your brand stand out by creating unique oil blends or adding eye-catching labels that give your product a premium look. We're only halfway through this list, and the profit numbers are about to get even bigger. Number 5. Chocolate molding machine. Chocolate is one of those products people never seem to get tired of buying. With this machine, you can turn melted chocolate into professional-looking treats without spending hours shaping every piece by hand. The process is quick and easy. Melt the chocolate, pour it into the machine, choose the mold you want, and wait a few minutes. Soon you have chocolates with clean shapes that are ready to package. You can also create filled chocolates, colorful designs, or personalized pieces with names and logos for special occasions. There is always demand for chocolate, whether it is for birthdays, holidays, weddings, gifts, or party favors. A basic chocolate molding machine costs between $200 and $600, and one batch of ingredients can produce dozens of chocolates with a strong profit margin. Selling through local shops, cafes, social media, or custom orders gives you multiple ways to earn. Attractive packaging and unique flavors can make your products stand out even more and encourage repeat customers. Number 6. Vacuum food sealer. Keeping food fresh for longer has become important for many families, and that is exactly where a vacuum food sealer can help. This machine removes air from storage bags and seals them tightly, helping food stay fresh while reducing waste. Using it could not be much easier. Place the food inside a vacuum bag, position the open end in the machine, and let it remove the air before sealing the bag. In just a few seconds, meats, vegetables, fruits, cheeses, nuts, and many other foods are securely packed and ready for storage. The business opportunities go beyond preserving your own food. Many customers like buying ready-to-store meal portions, marinated meats, fresh fruit packs, or weekly meal prep packages. Restaurants and health-conscious customers also appreciate food that is already portioned and sealed. A basic machine starts at around $50, while the bags themselves are inexpensive. By managing your costs carefully, you can recover your investment quickly and begin generating steady profits from a simple home-based business. Number 7. Roasted chicken machine. Fresh, hot roasted chicken is one of those meals that people never seem to get tired of. With this machine, you can turn that everyday favorite into a home-based business without making the cooking process complicated. Everything is designed to be simple. Season the chicken, place it inside the machine, set the cooking time and temperature, then let the machine do the rest. Before long, you have evenly cooked, crispy, and juicy chicken ready to serve. You do not need years of cooking experience, just good ingredients and consistency. This business works well for takeout orders, small food stands, family meals, or local events. You can also increase your sales by offering combo meals with fries, rice, or salads. This machine usually costs between $450 and $600, while each chicken can sell for around $5 to $10. Selling several chickens every day can create steady profits, and offering catering for parties or gatherings gives you another way to grow your customer base. Number 8. Mobile concrete mixer. Not every profitable business happens inside a kitchen. This machine gives you the chance to earn money by serving small construction and repair projects without investing in large industrial equipment. Using the machine is straightforward. Add the cement, sand, gravel, and water, start the mixer, and within minutes you have fresh concrete ready for use. Since the mixer is portable, you can move it from one job site to another, making it convenient for local customers who need quick service. There is always demand for small construction jobs, whether someone is repairing a driveway, pouring a sidewalk, or building a foundation for a backyard project. A concrete mixer generally costs between $300 and $600. According to the transcript, you can charge between $1 and $50 for each mixing service, allowing you to build profits as you complete more jobs. Providing reliable service, arriving on time, and offering custom concrete mixes can help you attract repeat customers and expand your business over time. Before number 9, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We are aiming to reach 50,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes the difference. Number 9. Mini oven for dessert cups. If you enjoy baking and want to sell something a little different, this can help you turn simple recipes into attractive individual desserts. Small portions are easy to serve, easy to package, and popular for parties, events, and everyday treats. The machine takes up very little space, making it a practical choice for a home business. You can prepare cakes, brownies, mousse, tiramisu, and many other desserts in individual cups. Once they are baked and decorated, they are ready to sell. Adding themed decorations or seasonal designs can make your desserts even more appealing. This machine costs between $100 and $200, based on the pricing provided in the transcript. Each dessert cup can sell for around $2 to $5, depending on the recipe and presentation. With regular orders from parties, celebrations, or local customers, the profits can grow steadily. It is a simple way to start a baking business without needing a large commercial kitchen. Number 10. Phone case printer. Almost everyone carries a smartphone, which means almost everyone uses a phone case. A phone case printer gives you a simple way to turn plain cases into personalized products that people are willing to pay extra for. The process is fast and beginner-friendly. Pick the design, upload a photo, logo, or illustration, place the phone case inside the printer, and let the machine do the work. Within a few minutes, you have a custom case that is ready to package and sell. Every order can be different, making your products feel unique. This business works well for gifts, company promotions, fan merchandise, or customers who simply want something that nobody else has. This machine costs between $150 and $500, according to the transcript. Finished phone cases can sell for around $5 to $15, depending on the design and phone model. As more people request personalized products, your profits can continue to grow. Selling through social media or your own online store gives you an easy way to reach customers without opening a physical shop. Number 11. Chain link fencing machine. If you want to step into the manufacturing business, this machine can open the door to a market that always has demand. Homes, farms, factories, and construction sites all need strong fencing, making this machine useful for many different customers. Once the wire is loaded, the machine automatically twists and connects it into durable chain link fencing. Instead of making each section by hand, you can produce large rolls much faster and keep up with bigger orders. That makes it easier to serve contractors, property owners, and agricultural businesses. This typically costs between $1,000 and $3,000. According to the transcript, every completed roll of fencing can generate around $100 in profits, depending on your production and sales. Since construction and property development continue year after year, there is steady demand for this type of product. If you focus on quality and reliable delivery, this business has the potential to grow into a full-scale manufacturing operation. Number 12. Automatic cookie maker. Making cookies by hand takes time, especially when customers start placing larger orders. This machine helps speed up the process by forming consistent cookies quickly, allowing you to produce much higher volumes without extra effort. Using the machine is simple. Prepare the cookie dough, load it into the machine, and it automatically shapes each cookie based on the size and style you choose. This saves time and lets you focus on baking, decorating, and packaging instead of shaping every cookie yourself. This type of equipment is a great option for selling at local markets, small stores, cafes, or through custom orders. An automatic cookie maker costs between $200 and $3,000, depending on the model and production capacity. It can produce hundreds of cookies every day, and each bag of cookies can sell for around $5 to $10. As your customer base grows, the profits can increase steadily. You can also offer different flavors, seasonal collections, or attractive packaging to make your products stand out and encourage repeat business. Number 13. Small bakery equipment. Starting a bakery does not always require a large commercial kitchen. With the right equipment, you can begin producing fresh baked goods from home and gradually grow your business as demand increases. The basic setup usually includes a dough mixer, a compact oven, and a sturdy work table. Together, these tools allow you to make bread, rolls, cakes, pastries, and many other baked products without needing expensive commercial equipment. Once you find a few recipes that customers enjoy, you can begin taking orders from friends, neighbors, and local businesses. The investment for equipment ranges between $500 and $1,000, according to the transcript. Depending on the product, each loaf of bread or cake can sell for around $3 to $10. As your menu expands and more customers place repeat orders, your profits can continue to grow. You can also increase your income by offering custom cakes, holiday treats, or baked goods for birthdays and special events. It is a practical business that can start small and expand over time. Only 2 machines left, and this next one is unlike anything else on this list. Number 14. Explosive Trencher. If you are interested in construction work, an explosive trencher can help you complete excavation jobs much faster than traditional digging methods. It is designed for projects where deep trenches are needed for pipes, cables, and other underground installations. The machine works by using a controlled explosion system to break through the ground, reducing the amount of manual labor required. Because of this, contractors can finish trenching jobs more efficiently while saving valuable time on large projects. Although it is commonly used on bigger construction sites, it can also be useful for smaller excavation work that requires deep and accurate trenches. This typically costs between $3,000 and $8,000. Based on the transcript, excavation services can be charged between $200 and $500 per project, giving you the opportunity to build solid profits as you complete more jobs. If you focus on construction companies and infrastructure projects, this machine can become a valuable tool for generating long-term income. Number 15. Electric Pulverizer, Mill. Many everyday products begin as fine powder, and an electric pulverizer makes that process quick and efficient. Whether you are grinding grains, herbs, spices, or other materials, this machine can help you create products that are ready to package and sell. Operating it is straightforward. Add the material into the mill, switch the machine on, and within a short time it produces a fine, even powder. Depending on the model, it can also handle different materials, making it useful for several types of small businesses. This can be used to produce homemade flour, ground spices, animal feed, and other powdered products that people buy every day. According to the transcript, the machine costs between $150 and $500. The finished products can generate around $5 per kilogram, depending on what you are selling. By offering a wider variety of powders and serving different customers, you can steadily increase your profits. It is a simple machine with the flexibility to support several different business ideas from one investment. Those were 15 machines that can help you turn practical skills into real business opportunities. Some are perfect for beginners, while others can grow into much larger operations as your experience increases. The important part is choosing one idea and taking action instead of waiting for the perfect moment. If you enjoy discovering machines that can help you build a business and create new income streams, make sure you subscribe, because every week we feature more equipment, business ideas, and profitable opportunities that most people never hear about. Now, if you want to see even more machines with strong earning potential, click the video on your screen right now. There's a good chance your next business idea is waiting there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.